Okay, dear students, now in today's lecture we are going to see latest event time. Okay, in previous lecture we have seen earliest event time and forward pass. Okay, and in this lecture we'll start with the latest event time and what is meant by backward pass. Now latest event time is denoted by capital TL. Okay, earliest event time is denoted by capital TE, but latest event time is denoted by capital TL. Okay, latest event time or occurrence time is that time by which event must occur at a late at possible. ओके, मीन्स किती लेट होतो तुमचा इव्हेंट, तो टाइम म्हणजे तुमचा लेटेस्ट इव्हेंट आहे ऍट लेट ऍट पॉसिबल विदाउट डिलेइंग द प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, तुमचा प्रोजेक्ट डिले होता कामा नये, बट युअर इव्हेंट विल पॉसिबल ऍट लेट ऍट पॉसिबल. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द टीएल and is mentioned at the bottom of the node. Okay, your earliest event time we mention in top of the node and latest event time is mentioned in the bottom of the node. Earliest event time is denoted in square while latest event time is denoted in triangle. Okay, we have to show it in triangle. Latest event time values of the other events are calculated starting from the values. Okay, TL of the activity is found by subtracting the activity duration of the present activity from TL of a head event. Okay, now in earliest event time we go from left to right, that is in the progress of your project. Okay, and for a calculating the latest event time we are coming from the opposite side, that is against the progress of your project. Okay, in this direction, in direction of the against the progress of your project. Okay, so for calculating the event time of any activity, what we have to do, we have to subtract the project duration, from the latest time of a head event. Okay, so this is the head event, this is the tail event. Oh, okay, now we have to calculate the latest event time for a tail event. How will you calculate the latest event for a tail event? We will calculate the latest event for tail event by subtracting the latest event for a head event minus duration. Okay, now how we have calculated the latest event for a head event. Suppose this is the end activity, last activity of your project. Okay, so in the last activity what we will calculate, we will get the project duration. Okay, see in this problem, network problem, so suppose this is the last activity, here we will get the te for this activity. Okay, so this t is project duration that I have already told you that. Okay, that project durations you have to take as it is, because we don't have to delay the project. Okay, so for a event number 9, latest event time is 20 only. Okay, we are showing in this triangle. Okay, so now we have to calculate the latest event for event number 8. How will you calculate the latest event for event number 8? Latest event for the head event minus duration, we'll get the latest. So 20 minus 3, 17. Okay, so we'll get here 17 as a your latest event time for a tail event 8. Okay, like that we have to calculate. See here, so this is the sample activity 1 2. Okay, this is te 5. Now te for activity activity 2, event number 2 is 7, means t here t is 2. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, right, otherwise uh, so somehow there are another activity coming here and that gives the t as a 7. Okay, so we will take the t as it is for this activity. Okay, 7 minus 5 2, tl for activity 1 is 2. So we have to calculate the tail event latest event time like this. Okay, so see here, latest event time value of the other events are calculated starting from this value. TL of this activity founded by the subtracting the activity duration of the present activity from the TL of a head event. Okay, this is called as a backward pass. Okay, so like this we are coming back from the project duration to the first activity or a first event. Okay, so we are 20 minus 3 17, 17 minus 7 10. Okay, like this we are coming back. Okay, 17 minus 0, here it comes 17. Okay, now 20 minus 5, here come 15. Okay, so out of this we have to taking which value, minimum value we have to take. Okay, so 50 is your latest event time. Okay, for a event number 6. So earliest event time for event number 6 is 8, means event number 6 is occur as early as possible on a 8 day, and it can occur as late as possible on a 15 day. Okay, if it occur on 50 day, there will not be any delay in project. Okay, if it occur, means you can delay this activity up to the 15 days. Okay, so that is the main point. So we are coming back for like this from head event to the tail events. Okay, so this is the called as a backward pass. Okay, so we will get to know that what is meant by forward pass and what is meant by backward pass. Okay, now we'll see one example. Okay, same above example. See, we have already calculated the head events, right? We have already calculated the head events, sorry, earliest event time, and that are shown in bracket. Okay, here they have not mentioned here. Okay, because we are calculating only now backward pass. Okay, so the project duration or the earliest event time for the last event is 9, number is 20. Okay, that is always same, we don't have to delay the project. Okay, that we have taken as it is as a latest event time for the event number 9. Okay, now from this we are calculating the backward pass. Okay, now 20 minus 3, 17. 17 is the latest event time for 8 number. Now 20 minus 2, 18 is a latest event time for event number 7. Now 17 minus 7, 10 is the latest event time. Okay, now 10 minus 6, here it comes 4. Okay, now see here, 20 minus 5, 15. Okay, 17 minus dummy activity, 0 duration, 17 minus 0, 17. Okay, now out of 17 and 15, which value you have to take? Minimum value you have to take, that is 15. In forward pass, which value you have to take? Maximum value. In backward pass, we have to take which value you have to take? Minimum value. Okay, now 15 minus 4, 15 minus 4, what? 11. Okay, but from here, from this path, what will value will get? 10 minus 6, 4. Now 11, 4, which value is less? 4 is less. So we are going to take 4 is the latest event time. Okay, now 4 minus 4, 0. Like this, like this. 8 minus 4, 14. Okay, 14 minus 3, 11. 11 and 4, which value is less? 4. So we are taking 4 here. Okay, now 14 minus 2, 12. Okay, 12 minus 3, 9. 9 and 0, which value is less? 0 is less. So we are taking 0. Means in every starting node and for a final node, the latest event time and earliest event time are 0 0, and latest event time and earliest event time for the last node is always same. Okay, that is the project duration. So like this we have to calculate the forward pass and backward pass. Okay, now see here, we have written the forward pass and backward pass, latest event time and earliest event time. Here in this same example is there. Suppose now this is the first event, started with 0 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 2 5, right? Here it will get 5. I am again tell you that 5. Okay, now we will go here, 0 plus 4 4, written here. 4 plus 3 7, 7 and 5, which value is more? 7. So we will take 7 here. Okay, I will erase 5 from here. Okay, now 7 will get here. Up to this we have completed. Now 4, 4 plus 4 8. See here, we will get here 8 here. Okay, now 4 plus 6 10, we will get 10 here, right? Now 8 plus 0, 8 here. 10 plus 7 17 here, which value we have to take? 8 or 17? 17. Okay, maximum value is 17. Okay, now 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 11, 17 plus 3 20, 20 and 11, which we have to take? 20. Okay, now see from here, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 and 20, which value is more? 20. So we have to take 20. Okay, so all the uh, earliest event time for events that we have plotted and that are shown in square, okay, or rectangle. Okay, that we have taken. Okay, now where this is, we have done the forward pass. Okay, see, so this is, we have done the forward pass. Now we are going to backward pass. Now the last event time that we have to take as it is. So this is the project duration. I will write here PD, project duration. Okay, this is the project duration. Okay, in shortcut I will write here PD, project duration. Now we don't have to delay the project. Okay, so we have to complete the project on a 20 days only, so that we have taken as it is. Okay, so the latest event for the event number 9 is 20. Okay, now we'll go for a backward pass. Now 20 minus 3, 8. 20 minus 3, 17. Okay, we are written here 17. Okay, that we'll get. Now 20 minus 2, 18. We'll get here 18. Now 17, 20 minus 5, 15. We'll get here 15. Okay, now see here 17 minus, now here we'll get 17 minus 0, 17. 17, 15, which value we have to take? 15. So we have taken it as a 15. Now 17 minus 7, 10. Okay, we have taken here as a 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, 15 minus 4, 11. 11 and 4, which value is less? 4. So we are taking 4 here. Okay, but we'll check another path here. Okay, from here another path we'll check. Now 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4, 14. Okay, 14 minus 3, 11. 11 and 4, which value is less? 4 is less. So we're taking 4 here. Now 14 minus 2, 12. Okay, we'll get 12 here. Now 12 minus 3, 9. 12 minus 3, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 and 0, which value is less? 0 is less. So we are taken here 4. Okay, so all the backward pass, okay, we have calculated, or the forward pass we have to take in. Now the main important point here is how we have to calculate the critical path. Okay, from this we'll get the critical path. Let's check how it is. There should not be any float, then that activity is called as a critical path. Okay, means where T and TL of that activity is same. Okay, means earliest event time for that activity and latest event time for that activity is same, then that activity is called as a critical activity. Okay, so see this activity, earliest event time is 0, right? Earliest event time is 0, latest event time is 0. Okay, now 1 3 activity, for 3 node number 3, earliest event time is 0, latest event time is 4, means all are same, 0 0 4 4. So this activity is critical activity. Okay, so we'll mark here. Now see this 0 0 0 12. Okay, means what? You can complete your start your activity as early as possible on 0 day. Okay, now the next activity will start is as early as possible on 3 days. Okay, and latest time is for activity 1 through, you can complete this activity event number 2 as early as possible on 3 day, but you can delay it up to the 12 days. Okay, this is the latest time. If you delay up to the 12 days, still there is no change in project duration. Okay, means your project will complete as it is as possible. Okay, means suppose instead of 3 days you have completed it is on 12 days. Okay, then again they see 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 4, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 20. Okay, means your project will complete on a same date. Okay, so here 312. Okay, here you have chance to delay this activity, means this activity is not critical, you can delay this activity. Okay, so no need to uh, focus more on this activity. So this is not critical activity. Now we'll check uh, activity 2 4, 312 different different, 714 different different. Okay, so this is also not critical activity. Now 3 4, 4 4 same, but 17 14 not same. So this is not critical activity. Okay, you can delete this activity up to the 14 days. Now activity number 3 5, 4 4 10 10. Okay, means as early as you have to start this activity on 4 and you have to complete this activity on 10. Okay, and for latest time you have to as late as possible you can complete this activity on a 4, start this activity on 4 and complete it activity on 10, means on a same date. Okay, so there is no any scope of delay this activity. So this activity is critical activity. Okay, all the values are same, t tl t tl. Okay, all same. Okay, now see activity number 3 5 3 6 4 4 8 15. So this is not critical activity. Okay, so activity number 5 8 10 10 17 17. So this is the critical activity, same value. Okay, dummy activity is not coming in the uh, critical activity. See 8 15 17 17, 8 15 are different. Okay, so this is not critical activity. Now activity number 6 9, 8 15 20 20. Here 8 15 are different. Okay, here 20 20 are same, 8 15 are different. So this is not a critical activity. Now see activity 4 7 7 7 14 11 18, not a critical activity. Activity number 7 7 9 11 18 20 20 11 18 are different, so this is not critical activity. Now activity 8 number 8 9 17 70 20 20. Okay, both the T and TL for activity 8 9 is same, so this is the critical path. 1 dash 2, 1 dash 3, 3 dash 5, 5 dash 8 and 8 dash 9 means which are the critical activity. Activity number 1 3, activity number 3 5, activity number 5 8 and activity number 8 9. All these activity are critical activity, so you have to give more focus on this activity. If this activity is delayed by a single day, your whole project is delayed by a single day. Any one of these activities delay, then your whole project is delayed. Okay, rest of the other activities, there are some floats, or there is some slack, you can delay that activities, so there will not be any effect of project duration. Clear? So this is how we have to calculate the critical path. So I have covered how to calculate the critical path also, forward pass and backward pass also. Now let's move to the next topic, that is activity times. Now we have seen the event times, earliest event time and latest event times. Now we are going to see activities time. Okay, now apart from the event times, activity times are also useful for analyzing the network. Each activity has start time and finish time. Okay, based on the event times, there are further classified as a earliest start time, then earliest finish time, latest start time and latest finish time. Now we have checked the event times for the events only. Okay, now these are the for individual activities only. For individual activities there is earliest start time, earliest finish time, लवकरात लवकर संपणार चालू होणारी वेळ आणि लवकरात लवकर संपणारी वेळ, देन उशिरात उशिरा चालू होणारी वेळ आणि उशिरात उशिरा संपणारी वेळ. ओके, लेटेस्ट स्टार्ट टाइम अँड लेटेस्ट फिनिश टाइम. ओके, and event times are there only two event time, one is earliest event time and second one is your latest event time. Okay, now earliest start time. Now first we will check earliest start time, EST, that we called as a EST, earliest start time, that we called as a EST. The earliest start time of an activity is the earliest time by which activity can be started. Okay, म्हणजे लवकरात लवकर ऍक्टिव्हिटी जेव्हा चालू होणार आहे त्या टाइमला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, earliest start time. This will therefore equal to the earliest event time of that tail event of the activity. Okay, इव्हेंट टाइमचा जो इव्हेंट टाइम आपण पाहिलेले आहेत बरोबर, अर्लिएस्ट इव्हेंट टाइम आपण पाहिलेला आहे. टेल इव्हेंटचा जो अर्लिएस्ट इव्हेंट टाइम असणार आहे, तोच म्हणजे तुमचा काय असणार आहे, ऍक्टिव्हिटीचा काय असणार आहे, अर्लिएस्ट स्टार्ट टाइम असणार आहे. ओके, नाउ सी फॉर एक्झाम्पल activity A, B, C. These are three activities. Earliest event time. Now event time for activity A. This is the node. Event time for node A, node B, and node C. These are the nodes. Okay, they have written A, B, C on nodes. Okay, these are not activities. Event time for node A is earliest event time is for node A means T is 0. Okay, if T is 0, now check for this individual activity. Okay, now for this individual activity, TE earliest start time is also 0. Okay, means EST also same as a TE of A. Okay, clear? Now 0 plus 3 3, earliest start time for this activity, earliest time for this activity is 3. T of B is 3. Okay, so EST is also 3. Earliest start time for activity this is 3 also. Then here for C, EST is 3 plus 8 11. EST for C is 3 plus 11. Okay, this is the earliest start time. Okay, so EST is same as a T of a tail event. Okay, so for this activity tail event is A, T of tail event is EST. For this activity T is a tail event is B. Okay, for T of B is your EST. Okay, and if there is further activity like suppose this is the D event, for this activity tail event is C, so T of this C event is your EST. Clear? Next is your earliest finish time, E of T. Earliest finish time of an activity is earliest time by which activity can be completed. Earliest finish time of an activity is the earliest time by which activity can be completed. An early finish time is said to occur if activity starts at EST and takes estimated duration for completion. Let's consider activity 2.4. Let's consider activity 2.4 from the network. It is separately shown in 2.10.2. Okay, from the network. 2.9.6. So this is the 2.9.6 activity. Which activity they have taken? Let's see. 2.4. Okay, so they have taken the 2.4 activity. See here, this activity they have taken. Now for this activity, tail event is 2. Okay, so EST, earliest start time, what is EST? Is nothing but, for EST is nothing but your TE, right? Earliest start time means it is come 3. Okay, now earliest finish time. Now earliest finish time is your 3 plus duration, that is 5. Earliest finish time for this activity is 5, but here we have written 7. Now this 7 is event time, earliest event time. This is not a earliest activity time. Okay, this is the event time, because here another activities come here for this event number 4. Okay, okay, and from that we will take that for completion of this activity 2 4 will require 2 days, and for completion of activity 3 4 required 3 days. Okay, for 4 plus 3 7. So to completion of this event, completion of event number 4, it required 7 days, but for completion of activity 2 4 it requires 5 days. So 5 is your earliest finish time, EFT. EFT 5 is your earliest event time. Clear? Not 7 here, 5 is your earliest event time. Clear? Now see here, this activity TE3, 3 plus 2 5, so TE is equal to 5, right? So EFT is nothing but TEI. TEI event means your tail event. TEI plus TIJ is nothing but your EST. Now latest finish time, we will go for a latest finish time. Now it is the last time by which activity can completed without delaying the project. Okay, this will be the therefore equal to the latest allowable time to of the head event of an activity. This is the last event time, is nothing but your TLJ. ओके, ह्याचा जो TLJ आहे तुमचा ह्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीचा, हा TLJ आहे, हा TLJ is nothing but your latest finish time. TLJ is nothing but your latest finish time, means your latest event time is your nothing but your latest finish time. Okay, now latest start time. Now it is the latest time by which activity can start without delaying the completion of the project as a whole. For this activity can will start by time equal to the latest finish time. Okay, means LST minus LST is equal to latest start time is equal to latest finish time minus TIJ. Same like a forward, same like a backward. Okay, TL for this activity is taken as a TL of this activity is taken as a latest finish time, and from that you have to minus the duration, then you will get the latest start time for this activity. So in activity times we are checking for individual activity to activity, and in event time we are checking for the event completion of an event. In activity time we are checking for a completion of that particular activity only. Okay, so this is the latest start time, latest finish time. Okay, uh, now in next lecture we will see network diagrams, how we have to calculate the all the activity times. Okay, with this we will stop here. Next lecture we will see another part. Thank you.